The second expression is in the category time and has a result of a number data type. The purpose of this expression is to return the second component from a given duration. The second expression has one parameter. This is the duration whose second component you want to extract. The result is the second component of the given duration. Let's look at an example. Here we can see our second expression, and we're computing a duration. This is going to compute the amount of time that has passed since midnight. Let's assume that this returns 10:40:30. It's currently 10:40, so we know that these two would be accurate, but I am assuming the number of seconds that had passed. If this is what this computes, this expression is going to return 30 or 30, which is the number of seconds that had passed when this was calculated. It will return just this, the third component, which is the seconds. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out appsheettraining.com.